back, guys. Jumping right into things. Today I'm doing this hair tutorial for you guys. This wig is from RPGhair.com and it is the Kim Kardashian inspired Brazilian virgin hair wavy bob. Alright, and yes, this is a lace front wig, and as you can see, it comes pre-plucked, which I'm so happy. Most of the wigs that I've been getting from RPG Hair since lately, the front is pre-plucked, but you know, sometimes I want to do a little bit more, so I did go in and, you know, just kind of, you know, pluck it a little bit more to my liking, because I really wanted the front to come off really natural looking when I go ahead and apply it to my head. I wanted to give the hair a little bit more definition in terms of the wavy look, so I went in and what I did, it was really simple. What you see me doing here, I'm just twisting the hair. Yeah, regular twist, nothing special. Twisting it, and then what I'm gonna proceed to do is take my old busted flat iron and just clamp down on the twist, and literally this creates the prettiest waves ever. And guys, it's so easy, it's quick, it's convenient. If you really want to just achieve really effortless beachy looking waves, I feel like this method is like one of the easiest, and it gets your waves popping. Like, it looks really good. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I did for this wig. As I said, yes, it still looks like that bob that Kim loves rocking, but this is also the look that Khloe Kardashian been rocking since lately, and I really do like it. Look at the waves, you know, it's so nice, and it looks very effortless. I love it. I really love this wig. I never think that I'd be so in love with it, but it's really nice.
I really like what you've done to me. I have no clue what
I'm gonna do a DIY hair coloring / coloring a wig video. The next day, and guys, look at how beautiful the wig is looking. Now let me tell you, these waves that you're seeing, this is how the wig looks like right after it dries. And yeah, I didn't go for bone straight hair though, so I did like just one pass throughout each section, 1 to 2 passes throughout each section of the wig. I really love how the wig came out. The color is beautiful, and I feel like once I went in and I bleached it and colored it, you know, sometimes you do that to the hair, it takes away from the luster and the body and just the movement. No, not at all. everything was still full of life and luster. It was just gorgeous. I absolutely loved it. I hope you did too. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. All the details on this wig is listed down below.
I really like what you've done to me. I have no clue what it is you do, but all I know is I be loved.